Open a web browser. Launch your preferred web browser. Visit Oracle website. Go to the official Oracle website. Select JDK 17. Choose the JDK 17 option from the available download versions. Choose Windows. Select the Windows operating system as your download platform. Select MSI Installer. Pick the MSI Installer option for the installation file. Download and wait. Click on the download button and wait until the MSI Installer file is downloaded to your computer. Start installation. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it. This will initiate the installation process. Installation Wizard. Follow the Installation Wizard instructions. Click Next to proceed through the installation steps. Verify Java installation. After the installation is complete, open a command prompt window. Type Java version and press Enter. This will display the installed Java version. Launch JShell. In the command prompt, type in Environment Variables. Open the Control Panel, search for Environment Variables, and click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Edit Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. Edit Path Variable. Under the System Variables section, select the path variable and click Edit. Add Java path. Click New and add the path to your Java installation directory. Apply changes. Click OK to close the Environment Variables windows. Confirm path update. Open a new command prompt window and type Java version to ensure the path update is successful. Ensure JShell accessibility. In the command prompt, type JShell to confirm that the Java shell is accessible from any location. Finalize installation. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Java JDK 17 on your Windows system.